Step 1 is cuticle prep. Start by using your cuticle push to gently push back your cuticles, then flip your tool around and use the other side to clean out the cuticle pocket. Step 2 is to shape, buff and file. So I'm using my buffer to remove the shine from the natural nail and then using my hand file to shape the nails into any shape I'd like. Step 3 is to apply your base coat. Apply a thin layer of the Nail Gloss Perfect Base. Remember to always cap the free edge and let this air dry for 60 to 90 seconds. Step 4 is applying your colour. Apply your first coat of nail polish and allow this to dry for 60 to 90 seconds. Repeat with a second coat and third if you need. Step 5 is top coat application. Finish with the gel effect nail gloss. Remember to cap the free edge and allow this to dry for another 60 to 90 seconds for a high gloss gel-like finish. Your final step is to apply nail serum. This will support your nail health in between manicures. Gently massage this in and this is your high shine, no commitment finish. All thanks to 14 Day Mani.